everybody, welcome back to the channel. We'll be doing an interior dimmer switch on the Sonoma today. Dash lights aren't working. I was told it was this, so I'm going to try that. I've changed the name of the channel to Rust and Restoration Garage. And anyways, we'll get the Corvette out and we'll bring the Sonoma in, and for the 10 people that are going to see this, yeah, let's get that switched over.
Black Friday's has
Alright, so we got the truck in here, show you what I'm changing, and then we'll start getting it apart and switch it over, and hopefully the dash lights come on then. So the interior dimmer switch here brings your dome lights and stuff on, and the cluster lights don't work right now, and I was told it was this, so I'm going to switch this out and hopefully we can get it to work. Okay, so we got 2 Phillips screws under here. This only has 1 in it, but it's supposed to have 2, and then I think this panel just pops off, and then we'll figure out how to get that switch out. Alright, so that's out. We'll get this unplugged. There's a little tab underneath here. I don't know if you can see the greatest. The lighting's not the best. Little tab here you got to pull down. I will grab another screwdriver, a flathead, and then we got 4 little Phillips to get this metal bracket off, and then that should come out. What I will do is unplug the lights and the interior dimmer switch, get this whole panel out on the bench, and then we'll change that over. It'll be a lot easier. This one, I don't know if you can see, there's a little tab there. You just pull on that, or push on that, and then pull the plug out, and that whole assembly comes out. So we'll bring this over on the bench, get it apart, put that new switch in, and test it out. Okay, so we got the piece out. We got 2 Phillips screws there, 2 there. We'll get those out, take this bracket off, pull that switch out, and put the new one back in. Hopefully without tripping. So once you get that off, both switches come out. This one, you just give it a tug. Seems to come out. I would imagine probably the original one by the looks of the brown. A little bit of rust on the metal. Here's the brand new one. We will get that, slide that in until it stops. Two little stops there. And once you get into here, you can kind of line it up. There we go. Get that screwed back together. There we go. This is in. It's kind of loose compared to the original one, but that should be okay. Okay, so we'll get it put back into the truck and make sure it works. Just same thing as just plug them in. Pretty simple. Try not to forget to plug them in because that kind of sucks. I definitely have done that before. So we'll get it put back in, put the screw back in. Pretty simple, easy project. Now just to test and make sure it still fits. Actually, not to make sure it fits perfectly fine, but test it out, make sure it works. Headlights come on, turn that dimmer switch up, and it seems to work good. Finally be able to see my gauges at night, especially when it gets dark at 5 o'clock, even before then. But that'll be all for this video. It's a pretty short one. I do have, like I was saying in my previous video, I got door seals to do. I'm going to hopefully get those on the go this weekend. Get a video up for those. And I got a new project. Just a little bit of one. I actually need to move that garbage. I got power wheels for my daughter for her Christmas present. I'm just going to clean this up. Give it a nice shine, make it kind of look new. Thanks to my buddy Kyle for getting me this for a good price. And we're gonna, you can see it's pretty dirty. We'll get it cleaned up, and it has a radio in it for an AUX cord. I was testing it with my phone. And there's a little speaker in there. I'm going to end up changing that. I got a car speaker I'm going to put in. Probably put it up underneath the hood so you can't see it. And anyways, that'll be for another video. Might do that this weekend too. And if this was any help or you liked it or anything, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next one.